Nē, nu, no vienas puses labi vien ir.
At the evening. Ăn hạt thi không?
Rīts iesākās interesanti, kamēr mēs vakarā bijām runājuši ar saimnieci, ka es palieku vēl vienu dienu, pa to laiku kāds ar Booking.com bija iebukojis mani istabu. Un viņi to ieraudzīja nedaudz vēlāk, un tā kā tas jau bija vakars, tad šodien mums būs jāmeklē jaunas naktsmājas. Then I can just pick my stuff and put here inside. Yeah. Nē, nu, no vienas puses labi vien ir. Bet tas mūs neaturēja no došanās mūsu ekskursijā uz Mekongas upi.
Xin chào, come on. Yeah. That's it.
Okay, that's it.
Esam jau atbraukuši uz savu pirmo sākuma punktu.
So before taking our old boats, we're gonna just looking around the local market first.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go there.
Sākumā mēs pastaigājāmies pa tirgu, mums pastāstīja interesants fakts par tirgu, un darba laiku un par produktiem, kas tur tirgojās. Vietējie ceļās pulkstenis 4 no rīta, 5, lai varētu tikt uz tirgu un nopirkt pašus svaigākos augļus, kurus varētu tad izmantot ikdienas ēdienreizēs vai arī savās kafēnīcās, restorānos.
For all the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yeah. Let's do alive. Depends a little bit shy. Here's some like chicken and like rooster.
Yeah.
Hens. Like men and women, like old people. For the road, the street in the South Vietnam, we call it like a seasonal blood.
Yeah.
It's quite different from the bloods in the north and the central. The bloods in the north and central is like sudden and really like severe. But for us, we can predict that.
Okay.
And then it's like the high tide coming. So we call it as a seasonal bloods, but not really like serious. We get used to it.
Mēs iebraucām iekšā ar laivu Mekongas upē. Mums gide ļoti skaisti un detalizēti izskaidroja visu, kas nu tur notiek. Pirmā lieta, uz lielajām laivām cilvēki dzīvo patstāvīgi un laivas priekšā ir vienmēr viens garš koks un tā koka galā viņi uzsprauž to augli vai lietu, ko tad viņi tur tirgo. Tās lietas pārsvarā visas var nopirkt vairumā, ir arī mazās laivas, iebraukt viņai klāt un iegādāties lietas. Var pabrokastot, var pusdienas paēst vai padzerties nopirkt. Vairums šo cilvēku visu savu dzīvi pavada uz laivas. Un, kad viņiem piedzimst bērni, tad visdrīzākais tie bērni pārvācās uz citu laivu. Protams, mūsdienās bērni pārvācās uz savu.
Coffee and coffee. So which one you want to order?
Milk coffee?
Milk coffee?
Yeah, I don't drink coffee, but I'm gonna try.
Milk coffee, right? The same.
Ăn nhậu đàng hoàng, đâu phải như hút béo gì đâu ngồi, đúng không?
Time when they have the party, he sells some beers too.
Oh,
yeah, okay. At the evening, yeah, only. Here so, milk coffee. Cho em 1 ly cà phê đen ít đường. Okay, now let's cheer together. I will take photo for you.
Okay.
Look at me. Cheers. Oh my god. Let's go to the ice first.
I like more.
Yeah,
Bitter.
bitter.
Ah, bitter.
Yeah. It's okay.
It's still okay, right?
Ngồi ký được không?
Dạ.
Ăn hạt phi không?
Do you want to have try the fried onion?
No.
No, dạ không được. It is sour.
Có cái này để
Yeah,
làm
not
cho
too
vui
much. Yeah. Anh có kênh YouTube á. Besides the savory one, but I need to get up quite early in order to go to land to get a fresh ingredients for that.
And they go to the same market.
Ăn đây, bữa nay miễn phí
Dạ.
cho.
Có hành phi cho em có hả?
Dạ.
Rồi bữa nay sao?
Dạ không.
Yeah, shit, and it's kind of challenging.
Call it shaking breakfast.
Yeah.
It's still shaking when you have breakfast.
I think I tried, but not here in
Not
Vietnam.
here in Vietnam,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Sao tôi cũng ăn luôn nữa nè, chú thấy không?
They sell the breakfast, and he also like have the breakfast they're selling too. So for the coconut, we have like two colors,
Yeah.
green and brown. Yeah. So it's quite the same. Tastes quite the same, but for the green one, a little bit sour. For the brown one, like sweeter, but just a little bit, not too much difference. Yeah. Too much.
Not that much. Yeah.
Yeah, not that much as you imagine. Ah. Ở đây quậy hả?
Ở đây bằng.
Nē, es esmu dzēris, bija
À, đưa, hỏi đưa anh kìa.
Foršāks,
Kìa
bet,
cho
nu,
em luôn nha.
lai slāpes remdēt, es domāju, labs.
A taste.
For me, it's better than coffee.
Tā kā mēs esam pabrokastojuši, padzērušies, mums bija iespēja aizbraukt, apskatīt, kā tad izskatās viena tāda laiva, kurā cilvēki ikdienā dzīvo un arī tirgo. Mūs atved uz laivu, kuru tirgoja ananāsus. Šie cilvēki gan jau bija aizgājuši pensijā, un laiva vairāk ir turistu apmeklējumiem, lai redzētu, kā viņi ikdienā dzīvo.
Inside?
Okay, so here's a space for living and for selling for business too. Besides that, that's why that we believe much on the inner motivation that someone support us, like invisible power. So this is a praying area where people gonna live. Yeah. Kids, some pillows over here, over there. Yeah. And they also have the electricity here. The know that one? Do you know that one?
It's from the water. This
No.
Oh no.
No. You
No.
can try. No. Have no idea, Eddie?
I think I have seen this like flowers in the water.
No, you put electricity wires here, so you wire
This
your
one is-
computer. Yeah.
No.
No. Yeah. So this is the water lotus root. Oh, sorry, like the water lily root.
Šiem saimniekiem ir divas laivas, vienā viņi dzīvo un otra viņi izrādīja apmeklētāji. Tālāk mēs devāmies uz maziņu Mekongas upes rūpnīcu, kurā ražo kaut ko, ko mēs ikdienā ļoti bieži ēdam. Tas ir nūdeles. Šobrīd, kā ir redzams, ūdens līmenis ir pacēlies, bet iedzīvotāji ar to visu ļoti labi sadzīvo, jo tas viss notiek sezonāli un viņi tam spēja sagatavoties. No rīta šeit bija ūdens virs potītēm, viss aplūds.
Tagad mēs ejam uz rīsu un ūdeļu rūpnīcu, kas ir 1982. gadā taisīta.
Do you know tapioca?
No.
Tapioca is like a starch.
Okay.
We made from the cassava. To before steaming because they're gonna steam them about 30 seconds.
Oh.
20 to 30 seconds only. Just really quick steaming. Yeah. A little bit in the rice noodle factory. Okay. So now let's see and keep the stick down to the mat, not too high. Yeah. Okay, you ready?
I think so, yeah, try.
Okay, you're back.
Oh yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
okay.
I'm ready.
You are past the interview. Yeah, already passed. You can work here immediately.
Bữa nay có ai nữa không cha?
Có chị Mai Tươi á. Dạ. Hai khách.
Không có hàng gì trên này.
Dạ không. Yeah. Okay. So not like normally, like after putting down the mats like that, they're gonna, like you can see 4 pieces at once.
Yeah.
So they're gonna carry them outside over here, put on a stick,
Okay, yeah.
and then trying under the sun. You can touch a bit.
Oh,
to feel
it's
that.
like silicone.
They make it really strong one.
Yeah. But this is one layer that we created, yeah?
Yeah. This is rice paper that you leave it up. So
Yeah.
normally they're gonna run by the motor over here. One will stand here, silent, and one will sit over here.
Okay.
Wrap all a rice noodle coming out. Okay, yeah.
You go with this one, yeah?
Yeah, hurry. Faster.
Trong tàu anh trong
Let's go.
Ja, pronto.
One more. Okay.
Nghe được không?
Yeah. Chị cắt hả chị?
Đúng rồi, cắt
Some cooking oil. They need to make it smooth.
Yeah.
Prepare putting some cooking oil. Run it.
Yeah.
Flat it all. Steaming hot.
Shunchi. To bucciot tikai kā vai.
Kilogramos de papel. Hecho.
Đây nó có thể gần nửa ký.
So, Sun, brauksim mums?
Chú xây mấy cái giùm con. Đại phòng về mấy.
No. You cannot come.
Rồi xuống luôn. Tháo đi luôn. Gheo rồi đó, ký 50. Em chở đi luôn em ơi, người ta hỏi.
Cái vụ này không lâu đâu.
5-3 năm cũng gì hả?
Chú nào?
Không ơi.
Beidzot, mēs braucam uz vienu no lietām, kādēļ visbiežāk cilvēki brauc uz Mekongas upi, lai varētu izbraukt cauri šiem kanāliem, kur ir džungļi ieskalti. Būšu atklāts, es gaidīju nedaudz savādāk, es nesaku, ka bija slikti, bija ļoti labi, bija interesanti, aizraujoši, bet es biju gaidījis, ka tas ir dziļāk džungļos iekšā, bet izrādās, ka tas ir patās blakus pilsētā.
The name is Water.
Godīgais klusums un miers, lai arī diezgan turistu pieprasītas ir šīs takas uz ūdens, tad mēs sastapām tikai vienus, kad mēs braucām paši ārā. Tur uz vietas mūs nobildēja, uztaisīja interesantas fotogrāfijas. Un tagad tālāk mēs devāmies uz kakao ražotni.
Xin chào.
The baby. See the water. Just by feet.
Darbiņš tā, jā.
Oh, so.
But sometimes it's quite muddy and slippery.
Yeah. No rīta es vēl domāju, kādas apaus vilkt un gribēju vilkt ūdens izturīgos, bet rekur beigās labi vien kad pārliecināja mani džīviņiem. Jā! O!
Smell whatever with that. Yeah. Happening?
It doesn't smell like chocolate. Yeah, it smells like fruit. It
Like
just
fruit,
smells.
mainly, right?
Yeah.
So here's the trees
Oh.
over here. You can see really fruitful. Yeah. And normally, like this one from that tree, you can see that the roots can be at the bottom or can be at the branches
Yeah.
over here.
Every 10 days, once.
Have it once surrounding the farm and
Yeah.
have some of the cacao fruits. Like we're gonna smash them. Okay, you wanna try?
It's hard or?
Yeah, really hard. Yeah, okay. It's already okay. It's already. So here, like this is the cacao beans. You can smell.
Okay, it's like mango or melon.
Yeah, mango, lychee, what any kinds of fruits, right? It's not like the cacao. Because after trying, it needs to be tried completely. So it stick together and smell. Now you can smell.
Oh,
Yeah.
I smell,
But
yeah.
seem like a little bit like alcohol. Okay. Peter,
I
Yeah.
will eat this.
coming through the hose,
Yeah.
and then you can smell full of the chocolate. So. Okay, put it here, and then here we have a filter bag. It's
I
not
mean,
like
this is much better than Nesquik.
it's not like industrial. Oh, what's
It's
wrong?
very good.
Okay.
Better than Snickers.
100%.
Okay.
100%.
Cow and use some more spices, for example, chili or something else, and then it just gives like some extra spice and something. And
Really?
it tastes nice, but like. Tu visur gājēji.
Bonquare, kom.
Bank.
Bang.
Vēja. Cold.
Banquare, kom.
Cold.
Go.
Anh đang
Oh, yeah.
again.
Sorry.
again,
No, I
again.
don't remember anymore.
Bank. Vēja.
Kom.
Yeah.
Chả
Khỏe.
biết gì.
Yeah.
Bank.
Bang.
Vēja.
Queer.
Bạn needs to be stronger.
Bang.
Bạn
Bang.
đúng.
Don't.
No, đúng is like yes.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Bang. Queer.
Come.
Bang. Queer. Come.
Yeah. He understand. Yeah. Come out of the water. Okay.
Pateicoties lieliskajai gidei Sasai, kura mums stāstīja interesantas lietas, un viņas angļu valodas zināšanas tiešām bija pietiekami labas, lai mēs varētu tiešām izbaudīt šo braucienu. Un 6:30 no rīta viņi mūs savāca, atveda uz Mekongu, izvadāja gan pa tirgu, aizveda mūs paēst, padzerties, parādīja mums, kā cilvēki vietējie dzīvo, aizveda mūs uz ūdeņu rūpnīcu, palīdzēja mums tur uztaisīt nūdeles, kā arī pēc tam aizveda uz kakao rūpnīcu. Un tagad mēs esam pirms 12 jau atgriezušies atpakaļ, un diena tikai vēl sākās. Video aprakstā es atstāšu informāciju, lai jūs varat arī nobukot tieši šādu pašu braucienu. Šī kompānija piedāvā dažādus braucienus. Viņiem, ja pareizi atceros, bija 4 varianti. Mēs izvēlējāmies to, kas mums likās interesantākais. Līdz ar to mūsu brauciens iznāca 30 eiro no cilvēka. Mums vēl ļoti paveicās, jo mēs bijām tikai divatā. Citreiz ir vēl kādi citi viesi klāt, un šoreiz bija viss skaisti un superīgi.
Braucām uz vienu dzīvokli, ko mēs gribam tā kā izīrēt, bet saimnieks nav uz vietas. Vietējie nesaprašanā, ko mēs vispār te meklējam. Visi skatās uz mums, mēģina saprast, ko te šitie baltie te dara. Un es nobukoju un uzreiz iegāju iekšā, uzreiz atnācām. Drīzāk mēs atnācām, tikai tad es nobukoju. Un tad tagad mēs gaidām, ka saimnieks atbildēs. Vai mēs varam tikt tur augšā dzīvoklī. Tā redzēs, kad kāds te atnāks. Tā viņi gribējās starp vietējiem dzīvot, nevis kaut kādā viesnīcā. Savādāk nav interesanti, vai ne? Māra, vai ne? Tā savādāk nav interesanti. Mēs hotelī. Mēs tagad hotelī, ja?
Pasaka, šitās tur, tā kā vispār neizmantot. Tev kamējā iegāja katrā, ne?
Hello, I want to buy this. Viņam atnesa tikko no aiz stūra, man liekas, rūsu. Man normāls. Zemeņu māja. Come on. 25 no tevis.
Šits ir no...
Straight from India. Mums ir rajona atbalsts. Hi. Bet ieskries kaut kur ar riteni.
Jā, iesim pāri.
Nevajag pāri.
Kur vajag? Mēs redī atbraucam gameot laikam, vai arī uz viesnīcu. Es nezinu, viņš man nepateicis, kurien. Šits prikals jau labi strādā, ne?
Jā.
Es to paņemtu malā visu pilsētu nopludināt.
Tātad šitien te mēs šodien gājām. Mēs tur kaut kur ar dronu lidinājos. Un rekur pasties kāds katru vakaru. Ciņčau! No. Nu jā, viņš mums piedāvā aizvest līdz kuģītiem. Katru vakaru ūdens līmenis ceļās, un viņiem ir šitāda te, kas pasargā. Nu tur ūdens ir, es neteikšu līdz celim, bet pusceļā līdz celim.
Pasties, kuģis tu izpildēs.
Kuģis tu iepeldēs iekšā pilsētā.
Baigā.
Turpat kanalizācijā tek uz āru viss. Ārā smidzina lietutiņš. Un re, kur ir nakts tirgus, kurš tā kā vērās ciet, es nezinu, nevarēju saprast.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save up to £240 for a family of 4. Don't miss out. Book now with Jet2 Holidays. Package holidays you can trust.